Okay, I have all of this. Is the only one that has batteries in it so far, but I have them all installed. So, now you can see I didn't put one there, obviously. And I have an extra one. And I thought, I'm going to put one up there. Going to put it up there. So I was going to decide to film this one, not in time-lapse. So, up above the sink, up on top. So, no, I'm going to put it up. I haven't done it yet. I'm going to put it right here. Now I'm going to get the light. It's this one. Okay. Well, people like to have the light above the sink, so it makes it easier to work. So I figured this would be a nice advantage to Liz. Okay. Put this one on now. Okay. Now, exactly where I'm going to put it is... right there. Ugh. Okay, it's up. Okay, we're done. So we're done now? Except for one last one. And for it, I'm going to need a long piece. Because it's big.